The Centerforce I II Clutch Series is designed as a high-quality entry-level performance clutch for those in need of a superior stock replacement. Using the patented Centerforce centrifugal weights with premium friction materials, the Centerforce Stage I clutch system is perfect for applications with stock engines or mild power increases from minor bolt-on modifications. The Centerforce Stage II Clutch Series utilizes a full-facing disc with premium friction materials and a pressure plate with patented centrifugal weights. Furthermore, static clamp load is increased through various machining processes, including the patented ball bearing technology. This combination allows superb holding power and maximum clutch life, making this clutch ideal for selected street strip, off-road, and towing applications. The Centerforce Stage I and Centerforce Stage II clutches are available across many platforms.